Captain Jim here, and we're back on the Blowing Pelican, back with you guys today, and boys and girls, today we're... Boys, girls, non-binary, agender, bigender, cisgender. Everybody, we're gonna be learning how to tie a tie.
Captain Jim!
Alright, so, in order to tie a tie, we need first the list of ingredients to tie a tie. And luckily, the list is pretty short. All we need is a tie. And to get my clothes chest out here. What are you doing in there? Go, shoot, shoot, shoot. All right, so the captain does not own a tie apparently, so let's go get one. Since we need a tie, we're here at the thrift shop and we are going to go pick one up. All right, come on. So I just need to buy a tie. And I think we're gonna have to figure something else out. Okay, so since that didn't work, I've got an idea on how to get us a tie. So we're going to be calling some places here. Hi, I'm a guest in your hotel here, and I have a really important business meeting today, but I seem to have forgotten a tie in my luggage. Do you guys happen to have anything in your lost and found, tie-wise?
You know, what room are you in?
I'm in room 31.
331?
Yes.
I will give you a call and let you know.
Thank you very much. Someone in room 331 is going to get very surprised. Let's try another hotel. Hi, I am a guest in your hotel, and I am a very important businessman. I have a meeting today. I was wondering if you guys could help me out with a problem. I seem to have forgotten to pack a tie in my luggage. Do you guys have any ties in your lost and found, maybe, that I could borrow?
What is that?
Like a necktie. I forgot to pack one, and I have a very important meeting today, and I need a necktie to look professional. So I was wondering if you guys had one maybe in the lost and found up there that I could borrow.
Sorry, we don't.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Mr. Wan's going to be very disappointed. Well, let's not give up just yet. There's plenty of hotels in this town. Well, there's one thing I've always said. If you, don't try things at least 3 times, you haven't really tried. So we're going to try one more time. And, hopefully this one goes well. I wonder if all these hotels, if they, like, talk to each other. Have you been getting calls from somebody that wants a tie? Let's hope not. Anyway, we're going to call this last one here. Keep your fingers crossed, people. We need this. Hi, I was wondering if you guys might be able to help me out with a problem. I'm a guest at your hotel here, and I have a very important business meeting that I need to attend to, and I seem to have forgotten to pack myself a tie. My suit's here, but not the tie. I was wondering if you guys might have one in the lost and found that I could borrow.
Oh man, we definitely don't.
All right, well, it was worth a shot. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye. Never fear! The captain always has another plan. Onward! Okay, so after all day, we finally found somebody with a tie. So, we're gonna go ask. Hello, sir. I'm doing good. I am the magical pirate Tim, and I want to show you a magic trick. I just need to borrow your tie.
Okay.
Thank you. And run! Didn't get the footage, but because my cameraman dropped the camera. But that guy, he's a lot faster than he looks, and he got his tie back. So we're gonna have to keep searching. Okay, so I've got one more idea, and it might be a long shot, but the next thing we're gonna try is here and see if we can find us a necktie in one of the dryers. I mean, people have to wash this at some point. Find one. Must try something else. Happen to have any spare neckties?
I don't have neckties.
Oh. Door to door collecting donations for underprivileged CEOs and neckties. Happen to have any spare neckties? Okay. Sir, my necktie has run away. Could I have one of yours? Big dogs. I'm running away. You wouldn't think it would be that hard to find a tie. But with no money and no cooperation, it's proven to be quite difficult. But I've got one more idea up my sleeve. So, here we are at the local cemetery, and one thing I know, people want to be dressed well when they're dead. So, I think I can find me a tie here. What I'm about to do could be considered a felony, so I'm not going to probably record most of it. I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Okay, now that we got our tie, let's get back to the Pelican and learn how to tie it. Okay, so a long day of trying to find a tie, and a no trespassing order, 3 restraining orders, a dog attack, and a felony. We finally got one, and now I can finally show you guys how to tie. This one's already tied. We're done.